Hey everyone, I've got this swing arm wall lamp here. It's a plug-in wall-mounted lamp from Afshur. And the nice thing about this is you can plug it in or you can hardwire it too. So here's all the hardwiring stuff. For me, I'm just going to plug it in. I've got an outlet nearby and I'm just going to go ahead and screw it into the wall and use it that way. But this thing's nice. See, it telescopes out. The lampshade cover will go over that. Comes with some fasteners and a couple Allen wrenches as well. Look at this, it's got a nice USB port on it too. And here's the on, bright. We'll go over all that when we get it installed. Go ahead and install this thing. I've got two of them, so I'm gonna go ahead and put one on each side of the bed. Now for getting this thing mounted, the nice thing about this is all you gotta do is worry about mounting this plate. And then that way these screws will go right in there. So we'll go ahead and remove those for now. This just comes right off of there. We're gonna leave all of that back in there, just like that. We're gonna leave it tied up, make sure that ground wire is tucked back in there. All this stuff here is staying. Right here is where the lamp is gonna go. I'm just taking a nail, putting it through the hole right there and marking it. Just like that. That way I know exactly where to drill my holes. Take it off, I got my 2 hole spots right there. So I got the holes right above the level there, you can see. I'm just gonna push that back in there, drilled the hole just big enough so it's nice and tight in there. Now all I did is just screw the mounting plate to the wall there. Now just fasten the light to it, to the mounting plate itself. Here's the lampshade. That lampshade just screws on with this little fastening ring there. So look at it from the bottom. Now with the lampshade on, light bulb in there. Really happy with these things. Like the look of them, the versatility. It's got a dimming switch on there too. And here's a look at the final product. Really happy with this. Thanks for watching, everybody.